35 fisherfolk who usually ply their trade at the fishing village in Mammee Bay, St. Anne, say they're pleased with the settlement from the new owners of the property, Sandals Group, after they were compensated on Wednesday.
I try to develop a little self-same way because we don't have to go enter nobody door or try steal from nobody, or, you know. We not be ungrateful more than what God can do for us, you know. So we really appreciate and thanks for everything we have done.
At the end of the day, something is better than nothing. I take the place and I'm going to develop it. So something is better than nothing.
CVM Live understands that the fisherfolk and the developers initially agreed on a $20 million settlement. However, violent protests by residents and fisherfolk in July and August, when they first discovered the sale of the land, has now reduced the settlement to $17.5 million. And at one stage there was heavy police presence guarding the area where the residents usually walk to the beach. At the time, they argued that they were gutted by the government. Their food basket and recreational area was allegedly sold without their knowledge. The area has been a fishing village for over 40 years. Now, Councillor for the Limehall Division, Geneva Gordon Bailey, says half of the money has been paid to the fisherfolk and a new fishing area has been prepared for them.
Well, today 50% was up, so they would have gotten $250,000 each, and then another $250,000 to be finalized within a couple of weeks upon possession of the same. Upon they relocating to the said area that is provided for them in St. Anne's Bay.
Jamila Maitland for CVM Live.